Did you know that a rape survivor in India who files a complaint has to go through another traumatic experience only to prove whether she was raped or not? We are talking about the two-finger test. The two-finger investigation is as discomforting as it really sounds. It was banned in 2013, but the practice unfortunately still existed in India. The two-finger test is one of the most regressive procedures that involves inserting two fingers into a woman's vagina only to check the presence or absence of her hymen and to gauge the laxity of her vaginal muscles, and all this only to determine if she's a virgin or not, basically to check if she was indeed raped or not. Now, as regressive as this practice is, there isn't even a scientific basis to this entire test. Unfortunately, for years now, Indian law required for women, rape victims, to go through this test only to substantiate her claims, whether she indeed was raped or not, and all this without any scientific basis. The recent Supreme Court judgment now says the same. As the Supreme Court now completely abolishes this two-finger test, the bench of justices D.Y. Chandrachud and Hema Kohli have said that this test has no scientific basis and only re-victimizes and re-traumatizes women, and that it must not be conducted. The court further deemed this as patriarchal and sexist to suggest that a woman cannot be believed when she states that she was raped merely because she is sexually active. Now, the court further went on to say that the test is based on an incorrect assumption that a sexually active woman cannot be raped. This virginity test was also practiced in Pakistan and Bangladesh before it got banned by their respective governments. Well, it seems like there's some hope as the practice now has been fully abolished and those performing it any longer will be charged with misconduct, according to the Supreme Court. What do you think of this test that violates the dignity and privacy of a woman only to examine whether she indeed was violated or not?
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today News Mo.